Hello everybody, I am Asaduzzaman Biswas. Today I came again to have a discussion on CSS. Today my topic is CSS Slide. How we can make slide using CSS, right? So let us show you with an example. So what I will do first I will make a div and I will give it an ID. What ID should I give? I will make images inside this div, so I prefer this ID images. Okay, this is the start of div and this is the end of div. Now I will draw image here, and the name of the image is JPG, big1.jpg, and I like to give it a height and width. I will give its height 400 pixel and width 500 pixel. Okay, great. This is one image, and I will take another image that is your pic1.jpg. okay, great. Also I like to give a height. The height will be 400 pixel and width will be 500 pixel, right? Okay, now one thing more, I like to give here an ID or class, whatever you like. I can give a class. Okay, class, suppose name of the class is font. Okay, now I will write some CSS code here and style tag. Okay, fine. So what I write here, first, let us give border on image. So what I write, image img, I like to give it border around the image, so I write border column thick is 1 pixel, it will be solid and color will be black. So let us see the image first. Okay, I will save it. I can give a name here. Now I like to go to output. Okay, this is the image I got, right? So the images will be images. Now we are getting the images having black border around the image. Okay, now what we will do, okay, now we will do what on this class. I write position. If I give its position, what position, absolute, then what happens? Let us see. If I go to output now, look, now one image is over the another image. Okay, that's why we're getting a single image. Okay, because we need this for slide. Because when we'll take your mouse over the image, then we will get another image which is just below that image. Okay, so what we will do now, we will write down transition. We will write down what transition. What transition to as linear. Okay, and when we will take mouse on it, means font over, then what will happen? Transform. What transform? And what transform? Translate horizontally, right? How much? Here size is 500 pixel, so I will write here 500 pixel, right? Now if we save it and then go to output, let us see what happens, right? Look, when I'm taking mouse over it, it is just removing, and one image, we are getting the image which is just below this image, right? Look, and we are getting the slideshow here. When I am taking the mouse over the image, it is moving towards left side, and the image below it is exposing, right? This is called the slideshow. Okay, so in this way we can create a slide using CSS, right? And one thing more we can do, we can give padding just to get the output properly. What we can do, I can write here images, okay, and if I use here padding, suppose 100 pixel, okay. Now if I get an output, look, now it is moving, right? And whenever I am taking the mouse over the image, it is moving towards the left side, and the image that is below this image is exposing, right? If I leave mouse from here, again the first image is coming. So this is the slideshow and made by CSS. So if you have any question, feel free to ask me through the comments. Obviously I will reply you, and join with my discussion. I will come with more discussions in my forthcoming tutorials. So subscribe my channel and join with my discussion. Today after this, goodbye everybody. Thank you.